just a quick, I'll do a little video of how I'm making these left-hand eyebrow molds. I guess it'd have to work exactly the same for the right hand, no dramas. So I've got this is what's left out of it, one of these front bonnet molds. I've just been putting it up against the car, marking it the other way. This high bit goes to the top, as far as I know. Been sliding that on, marking that to there. Now we'll go and cut it, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Get my hammer. So what I've done, I've put the black lines to the end of the guard. I've just put slices there, and up there. And on the end there, I'm going to cut that bit there off and that bit there off, and then we'll take it back from there. Okay, I've cut those two ends off there. Find my hammer. My baby hammer's there. Just put a screwdriver in the vise. I'm just going to hold that over and I'm going to hit this end with the hammer, hit it down flat. Let's have a look. I don't know how to hold the phone and do the lot, so we'll have to wait. I'm just going to trim that. I'm going to cut that through there. I'll be back. So I've just trimmed that, cut that bit off. That's how it is now at the moment. We'll clean that up. I'll just get the grinder going. I'll straight you off while I get the grinder going. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so that's the trim. Just go and see how it fits, eh? Alright, so this is the first one I made. We'll have a look. It's just a bit loose, so I can tighten them up. Anyway, we'll keep that, put that aside. Whoop. This is the second one I just made. I haven't tried it, let's give it a go. That's really tight. Let's pull that down. I'm happy with that. Get my little file on that. So, but when it's down, you don't see anything. This bonnet's got to go back a little bit. Let's have a look inside. I've just got to push this bonnet back a bit. The other side's got to come forward. It's all in final adjustment. We'll get that. But yeah, anyway, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Focus. It'll get me out of trouble. I'm happy with it. But that's it anyway. So that's all you've got to do. Grab one of these moulds, get the straight bits, cut your pieces out like I did here. Here's another one extra. Oh yeah, that's the first one I've done. Good spare. This one here, that's a bent bit of steel. I'm not going to use that to go in rubbish. But I can still make another 3, I reckon, out of that. So yeah, if you've got to get yourself out of trouble, that's what I did. I'm happy with it. Just needs to be polished. It'll do. All right, cheers everyone.